welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie, and today we're going to do a children's clothing haul. I do these videos usually maybe once a year, if even that, and this is my haul so far this year. I might do another one, but if you've seen any of the ones that I've done before, I always talk about how I purchase for the next year. I'm lucky enough to be able to do that because my child currently is fitting perfectly into her age range. So right now I picked up a few items for this year, but a lot of these are going to be for next summer. So as per my title, this is for a haul at the Children's Place, which is both Canadian and the US, and then Carter's Place, Carter's, which I believe is also in the US and is Canadian as well. So let's just jump right into it. So I am that person that will constantly be on their site just waiting for prices to drop, because they will drop significantly. I never buy anything from either of those stores at full retail price because, well, they're just too expensive unless I really want it. So I'm going to start off with some summer clothing. Okay, so starting off with the summer items, I'm going to start by saying, so these are the items that I got from the Children's Place, and the retail price was $103 before taxes, and I paid $26 and about 60 cents before taxes. So significant savings, as you can see, and I'll share with you the prices. And things are still on sale right now, so this is the perfect time to go shop. So every single one of these items retailed for $12.95, and these are Canadian dollars. So all of these were $12.95. All of the Skorts were $12.95. Just looking for the price to show you guys. Oops. $12.95. So I definitely consider these to be a really great deal. So starting off with these are Capris. I absolutely love Capris for my daughter, more so than shorts, especially at the toddler age. When we're playing outside, I just feel like these keep her protected more. And they're still cool because they are just Capris. So here's the first one that I got. These are a rainbow pattern, as you can see. I'll tell you the prices in just a moment. I actually picked up two of these. This is a 4T, which will be for next year. I also picked up one for this year. So I picked up a 3T. And this is a 3T as well for this year. I should have gotten one for next year. Super pretty designs. And sorry guys, my dog is sleeping and snoring in the background, so you might be able to hear him. So just to give you an idea of how much these cost, I got these for $3.88, and some of them are going even cheaper. So this pattern right here is currently going for, I think it's like $1.99. It's either $1.99 or it's $2.50. So it's going even cheaper. Only thing is things sell out quickly. So for example, these two patterns are gone, no longer available. So I am glad I got them at the $3.88. Now Skorts, I don't know if Skorts are just not popular, but these are super cheap right now. So for anybody that doesn't know, Skort is a skirt with shorts attached underneath. These are super cute patterns. So this is, as you can see, it's like a watermelon pattern. Beautiful floral pattern. Really love this black and white. And they have tons of these to choose from. And I also love this really pretty floral pattern as well. Now let me tell you, these are still on sale right now, and they still have them in stock, and they're even cheaper now. So they're retailing for $1.99. And the day that I'm posting this video is very like real time, so they are on sale right now. I got each of these for $2.59, but hey, you can get them for $1.99 now. All right, so I'm moving on to Carter's. Now, mind you, I did also purchase more items from Children's Place. I'm just not able to haul them because I don't have them yet. And with everything going on, mail is just slow. But right now, they also have a bunch of t-shirts on sale starting at $1.99. So I grabbed a bunch of t-shirts that also retailed for $12.95. So from Carter's, these are their pajamas. You can see they go for $16. I didn't get too significant of a discount. I did get them for $12, but I just love these, especially for summer. These are the full pajama sets, onesies, but with no feet, which are perfect for the summertime. So I got this really cute cloud pattern, and I find that these go so quickly. They sell out really quick. And then another one, and these are really cute ice cream patterns. So both of those were $12. Now I'll tell you this, you can also get them on Amazon. I was trying to get footless onesies for quite a long time, and they were sold out at Carter's, and I went online to Amazon, and there was a seller on Amazon selling Carter's onesies, footless, and it was a pack of 3 for $30, so 10 bucks each, and we love them. Now look at how adorable these shoes are. Super pretty. I love the floral pattern. I just love the pastel colors. And these type of laces. I don't know what you call these, but I love the stretch. So these also are from Carter's. Yes, also go by Oshkosh. And they retail for $30 Canadian, but I never buy their shoes at full retail price. I got these down to, I think it was $18 that I got these down to. You can get them even cheaper if you go in store. I do find when going in store, I can get really amazing deals on their shoes. I've bought rubber boots that retailed for almost $40 for $2, $3 just by going in the store. But with everything going on right now, I'm just doing my shopping online. And then I picked up another pair of running shoes. Same thing. These are $30 and I got them for $18, and these are just really cute running shoes. Again, these are going to be for either in the fall or next year. My daughter's still kind of between like 5 and 6, so I'm thinking these are going to be good for next year. But they're running shoes, so you can wear running shoes all year round, and they're just such a great deal, and they're super, super cute. So that's it so far, guys, that I've purchased. Like I said, I got a bunch more stuff coming, and you know, if I get another big enough haul, I'll certainly share with you, but this is all I got for now to share. If you're looking to do some, you know, purchasing for next year and you want to get some great deals, get on over to Children's Place and Carter's. They got some great deals going on right now. No, not sponsored. Those are just my favorite stores to shop at. For the Carter's, I think the total came to around 50 bucks. But as you can see, I saved about almost 30 on the 2 shoes, 4 and 4 on these, so close to $40 off of everything. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that really quick, you know, children's clothing haul. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope that you guys are all keeping safe, and love and peace to you all. Bye.